Hi guys, today we're making some golden milk. I'm using some spice profile spices that were sent to me by the company. These are really good spices. We are using 1 teaspoon of the spice profile turmeric, a 1/4 teaspoon of spice profile ginger root. We're using a 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of pure maple syrup, splash of vanilla, and a little bit of pepper, dash of pepper. And we're going to heat this up. We're going to put the heat on medium low and whisk this together, and we're going to let this heat for 5 to 10 minutes, and I'll show you how it turns out. Guys, this has been heating, so I'm just going to pour it in my cup. Look at that pretty foam. You can take just a dash of cinnamon for the top. Does that look good? Perfect drink for fall, and it's kind of a wet, chilly day here today, so this is going to taste good. If you've never tried Spice Profile spices, I highly recommend them. They are super fresh, very fragrant and flavorful, unlike what you get in the store. You really have to try it.